Oh,
Oh,
cross. Where is that? Oh, you're straight across, Matt. There's that guy, but there's one behind you as well.
killed him.
Fucking solo queer cunt. What the fuck? There's a melee vest here.
No. Why?
You're pushing out.
Yeah, fucking god, yes. Don't fucking take my ass, bitch.
Oh my god. This room beside me. Another one. Fucking hell, Matt.
Dead.
Fuck. I'm not opposed pushing that there since we can get Leo and Wets back in.
He's down the left one.
Is there still one in the right warehouse here?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. That one's dead, that I'm not. He must have moved. I knocked out someone.
Nice. I looked at his stats, he averages a kill maybe every couple games.
That building at 245, top floor, 2 of them. Tag, top left hand window.
Boom.
Down one of them.
Yeah, tagged him again, he's knocked.
Open one's alright.
Ouch!
Oh! Thanks.
He's pushed towards you, Matt. He's moving left. There's one
Let's go,
upstairs.
bro. Yeah, I can't. I don't think I'm gonna make it in.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, boy.
Good work.
Good game.
How many is that?
11.
Nice, man.